welcome to my vlog. Vlog ba? Wow. Hello! Welcome sa aking vlog. Today, we're going to pack my bag with me. I decided to do this like days before pasukan kasi feeling ko mararush na ako sa mismong day before mismong pasukan. So, gagawin ko na ngayon. I'm going to pack it today. Well, hindi naman, unti lang naman yung laman ng bag ko kasi bibili pa ako ng school supplies the day after pasukan. Kasi hihingi pa ako ng list sa teachers ko kasi hindi pa sila nagbibigay. So that I don't waste money, I decided to just do it after pasukan. At least sure ka sa mga gamit na bibili mo. So, for the first thing, the bag. So, sa bag, this is the same bag I used last year. Grade 9 and grade 10. So, I'm still going to be using it kasi it's still very nice naman. And it's pink. Siguro yung dinagdag ko lang dito ito. May bago ng keychain. It's pink too. Diba? Cute! Okay, that is for the bag. Ngayon, yung unting laman lang ng bag ko. Syempre, hindi ko muna i-include yung makeup ko because that is not, alam nyo na, hindi naman siya kasama dun. Yung mga parang nabili ko lang so far. So, the first thing is, I have a binder. I'm not sure kasi kung binder ba gagamitin namin or colored notebook. So, I settled with this one first. Sana naman magamit to kasi sayang mga binili kong refills. Pero kung hindi, I might just use it as a note-taking notebook or something like that. Here, it's pink. And medyo marami rin naman yung pages niya. Diba? I got it on Orange app. Okay. And for the next one, meron akong ito. Pink file organizer. This is also from grade 9, grade 10, last year. Reuse ko siya ngayon because it still works. And this is very important. This helped me organize my schoolworks in the past years. As you can see, may mga sticker na siya. May laman pa siya. Birth certificate. Aalisin ko rin yan, don't worry. Pero yeah, this is very important, guys. Next is the pencil case. Ito. Diba? Cute! Sa loob niya, I got this. Parang nakabundle siya. Sama-sama na siya. Pakita ko na lang yung mga laman ng nabili ko na yun. It has this. May iba na siyang kulay. This is good for checking, I think. Diba? May red and green na siya. And then, white pen. And we also have glue stick. Important ang glue stick. Ito na lang yung nilagay ko sa pencil case ko because I think na mas malinis to gamitin rather than yung glue stick na, yung glue. Yung glue na ganun yung nilagyanan. Hindi ko alam anong tawag dun. Basta yun. Tapos, we have scissors. Diba? It's also pink. Bumili pa ako. Syempre. Kasi gusto ko pink lahat eh. And then here, we have another pen. Diba? And then, we also have like correction tapes. Ito lang yung kasama dun sa nabili ko. But I also have 2 more correction tapes na hindi ko nagamit last year. And gagamitin ko na sila ngayon kasi sayang naman, diba? And they're pink, so I'm going to put them in the pencil case. Meron pang iba, but they're not pink, so hindi ko muna sila lalagay. Okay, the other stuff are merong eraser. Eraser na pink. There's also another ball pen. And pink highlighter, and a cutter. Ang cute. Tapos, this is good for opening packages. Too bad, inopen ko na lahat ng mga package ko. And then, yun. And then, we also have the umbrella. Diba? Actually, gagamitin ko sana yung umbrella ko from last year, pero color yellow siya. Hindi niya fit yung aesthetic ko ngayong school year. Pero, Kaya bumili ako ng bago. Pero okay pa rin naman yun. Pero may theme kasi ako ngayon eh. Kung di alata. Eto, cycle. Yung sako, pero baka kailangan to. So, I'm going to bring it. Kasi why not? It's pink. This is also from last year. Guys, mag-reuse kayo ng gamit nyo. Lalo na kapag gumagana pa sila to avoid overconsumption. 'Di ba? This is so good. Deli is so good. Like, I've had this since grade 9 and it still lasted me until now. Even until now, I mean. So, yun lang. Yun na naman laman ng bag ko. Bibili pa ako. That's probably a separate video, I think. Kung kakayanin. Diba? Ang cute. Wait lang, hindi ko na sama yung ano ko. This. Yeah. That's all. So, yun na naman laman ng bag ko so far. Maliban sa mga makeup ko. Pero I will record that separately in another time. Kasi wala pa akong lalagyanan. Yeah. So, that is all. Okay, so malapit na kami umalis. This lighting is not so good. Malapit na kami umalis. I mean, we're about to go now. So, see you, HAU. Okay, I'm so lost right now. I don't know where I am. I mean, I know where I am, but like, ang hirap mag-isa. Lahat sila may mga kasama na silang katismisa. Ako zero. I'm so scared. What the freak? Okay lang yan. Sabi nga nila. Ano bang sinabi nila? Wala silang sinabi. Oh my God. Ano to? Hindi ko alam saan ako pupunta. Ayoko naman mag-elevator kasi like, ang daming tao doon nakatakot. Paano ko sasabihin na 5th floor lang gusto ko puntahan? Ang hirap naman gumamit ng elevator ngayon. Mama. Pamilyar. Kuya, ang tapat niyo. Nakakahiya itaas yung cellphone. Okay lang. Ganyan ba yun? Mabidyo sana.
Significant beginning for all of us. It is with great enthusiasm and optimism and shared hope that we open
Siya lahat magtatanong. Ilan yun? 5 cards. So, yun lahat. 5 cards mo, te. Ayan na, ayan na. Hala. 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 Hala, baka maganon kami. Ako pag naka-print tayo, Eddie Dong. Eddie Dong. Feel ko naman. Pero, ano, since meron yung mga shortlist, meron talagang mga sobrang daming ginagawa. And also, nakaka-depress ng ginagawa. Hello? Ganyan din po ba yung tsura ko pag na-depress? to know each
Sana
other.
gumawa ng GC, no?
Yes.